The following tutorial describes the latest updates to intraoral X-rays on DS Core, enabling that these scans are displayed using the same image preset you're familiar with from Diagnosing 4. Let's begin. Previously, intraoral X-rays were uploaded to DS Core without any preset filter applied. Now, these images are uploaded with the same filter preset you're familiar with from Diagnosing 4, ensuring a consistent and familiar appearance for diagnostic evaluation. The image appearance now aligns with what many users are accustomed to, supporting continuity in diagnostic evaluation. Please note that the new filter is not applied to existing intraoral X-ray scans from your patient media library. Whether the scan has the new filter applied or not, DS Core continues to deliver validated image quality suitable for clinical use. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about newbies, core features, and functionalities. Thank you for watching.